Over the next 3 to 5 years, CCMI, made possible by Butterfield, is researching marine habitat restoration for blue carbon offsetting in the Cayman Islands. These islands, on the front lines of climate change, risk losing some of the most valuable biodiversity-rich ecosystems on the planet. Yet, they could also be part of the solution in the race to net zero. Carbon offsetting, a short-term measure against climate change, has gained popularity with environmentally conscious entities. Carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, can be mitigated by supporting projects that protect, maintain, or restore habitats that store carbon. Traditionally land-based, we're shifting focus to blue carbon, captured by the ocean. This is because these marine ecosystems store and cycle about 93% of Earth's carbon dioxide, playing a crucial role in offsetting and climate change mitigation. Though much smaller in size than the planet's forests, these coastal systems can sequester up to 10 times more carbon than green carbon ecosystems, and can continue to do so for millions of years. Our program aims to explore viable marine habitat restoration for carbon offsetting, paving the way for sustainable schemes.
One of the things that we're hoping to achieve with this project is to actually get some quantitative information about how much carbon corals can sequester. And not just corals, but also their neighboring nearshore ecosystems like seagrass meadows and mangroves, and how those three ecosystems can work together to potentially promote increased carbon absorption as a mechanism to mitigate the impacts of climate change.
To achieve the goal of limiting global temperature rise to 1.5 degrees Celsius, as much as 1/5 of the emission cuts will need to come from the ocean. Investigating the feasibility of a marine-based blue carbon program, CCMI and Butterfield are focusing on maintaining long-term biodiversity through an ecosystem approach to management.
With this project, there really is that tangible solution at the end of this experiment that we can then scale up and apply not just across the Caribbean, but across the globe.
By bridging knowledge gaps hindering blue carbon offsetting, we also align with conservation planning and protection objectives. CCMI's commitment to education remains and will continue through stakeholder engagement with local initiatives and immersive experiences like mangrove and coral restoration. This project connects blue carbon offsetting to local biodiversity action planning, promoting a healthy marine environment for planetary well-being.